Friends, we find ourselves in this beautiful setting on the last day of the year, the beginning of a new decade, the start of a new chapter, where today, in the presence of their most cherished family and friends, Donald Fanning Wolf III and Bianca Rosato, will state publicly their choice to spend the rest of their lives loving one another by choosing one another as husband and wife. You do realize where we are, correct, this building? Miami-Dade County Firefighter Union Hall. If any of you wish to party too hard, there'll be first responders on hand to take care of you.
Que sean muy felices, es lo único que deseo.
Ok, te prometo. Bianca, today I officially join my life with yours. Wherever you go, I will go. Whatever you face, I will face. I will be right by your side, always to encourage and inspire you. I promise to exercise patience, especially when your strong Gemini tendencies prevent you from making a decision. And so you ask me to choose, knowing that neither answer will satisfy you. Baby, loving you is the easiest and most obvious thing I've ever done, and I'm so excited to love you into eternity.
Donald Fanning Wolf III. Long before I met you, I used to close my eyes and envision the perfect gentleman. And today, I get to open my eyes and thank the universe for making it all my reality. Today I vow to be your biggest fan and take from every moment the opportunity to encourage your passion, nurture your dreams, celebrate your triumphs, and love you all the more for your failures. My heart is yours forever.
I know you want to kiss her, but you can't. That was quick.
You're excited.
Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song.
witnessed your love, and it is with great joy that I pronounce you as husband and wife. Now, you may kiss her for the first time as your wife.
I'm gonna keep it short and sweet because this is overwhelming. But when Don walked into our life, I knew that he was the one for her. As soon as I sat down and talked to him, he's made her so happy in a way that I've never seen. And I know this because I've been around for every single boyfriend of her life. Every heartbreak, literally. And you take the cake, you're incredible. I feel like I gained a big brother.
Have you ever met anybody who's more excited about anything he does ever? I mean, the guy just acts with purpose. Donnie is a leader. But most importantly, he's just someone who knows exactly where he wants to be in life. And there's no place more that Donnie would rather be than be right next to Bianca tonight. I wish you all the best. Here's to the bride and groom. Love you guys.
What a great night it is to have a wedding on New Year's Eve. Also very convenient to remember as your anniversary. I see what you did there, Wolf.
We came to party all night long.
Like you're literally the kindest, calmest, most patient friend I could ever have. And I'm a lot to handle. Put your glasses up. And let's ring in the new year with the Mr. and Mrs. Wolf.
I love you both so much. Congratulations. Let's start dancing again.